Hey bargain babes, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a really quick um kind of synopsis on venues, wedding venues. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Jessica Giovanna, and I've been on the search to try to get my wedding under a grand. So I know it's a huge ask, but I think today I'm going to talk about venues. And there's, depending on what area you live in, there could be some great options for you as far as the venue goes, but I highly doubt if it's under, I mean, if it's not, I mean, it is going to cost you some money, but as far as like bargaining goes, I am going to have my wedding in my backyard. So, uh, I am renting a house right now, so I would be able to do that. But it's actually going to be my. It was going to be in our backyard, but now I think we're going to have it at my boyfriend, my oh my god, my fiance. Wow, my fiance's mom's backyard. So her backyard is beautiful. There's like a lake back there, and it just works for us. So I'm really happy we were able to do that. But the thing also about having your wedding in your backyard, and we're going to do the wedding reception, everything is going to be in the backyard. So the thing about that is, depending on your area, you if you have over like 30 people and everybody's drinking and all sorts of stuff, like you may have to get permits for that. So just be aware. And also, if you wanted to go to the beach and do your wedding there, I know certain beaches will you'll have to get some permits. But if you're just going to have the ceremony, I believe you are able. Well, at my beach, we're able to do that. I live in Houston, so and Galveston is the closest beach to me, and so we're able to do that. Hold on one moment. I will be right back. There we go. All right, but yeah, so in Houston, we are able to have a like a ceremony at the beach. But the thing about it is a public beach, and you can't have chairs. So I don't know. If you live in the Galveston area, you can do that. There's also places in Galveston, like Stewart Beach. I think there's another one as well that has like a special area for weddings and stuff. So, but you do have to like reserve it, and I'm not sure how much that costs because I did want a beach wedding at one point, and then I decided on, if it was a beach wedding, I would want it to be like, the Galveston water is kind of iffy sometimes. It's not like super blue and like amazing like Jamaica water or like Cozumel. It's nothing like that, unfortunately, or even Florida. But yeah, so we're gonna have it in our backyard, and it's gonna be a small wedding, so that also helps with cost. And it's just our closest friends and family, and we're gonna have it's gonna be 30 probably at the most, like 30 to 35. So it um honestly I feel like it's gonna be like 25, but we're just in case some people want to bring in a plus one or something, but yeah, that's about how big the wedding's going to be. So keep that in mind. The bigger your wedding is, probably the more expensive it's going to get. But yeah, I am excited, and I'm going to go through some like cute little things you can do for your backyard, and uh, the theme that I'm just going to kind of talk about the theme that I'm doing, and it's going to be kind of like a chic country, like sort of wedding thing. And I live in Texas, so very fitting. But yeah, let me show you guys some pictures really quick. Backyard wedding. I thought this was really cute. Instead of barrels, because I know barrels are expensive. So I mean, there may be places you can rent them from. But yeah, it depends on what your area is. They have, you can also maybe substitute that with like lanterns, might be kind of cute. But that looks like baby's breath up there, which is really cute. Really inexpensive flower. I'm going to be having a lot of that on my tables at the wedding and my dessert table and stuff like that. And that wedding arch looks pretty inexpensive. I don't know if there's like a wooded area near you to where you can fashion something up. But yeah, I liked that a lot. And as far as inexpensive goes, this looks really nice. That looks like 2x4s pretty much, and a bunch of stumps. I was gonna have that in the background of my where my arch is, but stumps are kind of hard to come by, so I just decided to. There is a park near me that had just stumps laying around, and I was just gonna snag them, but I think my sister-in-law has something planned for me, so I am pretty excited for that. I think she's gonna rent something for us, which is really, really nice of her. I think they are actually lanterns, and I'm gonna have some lanterns at my wedding, so it's gonna be pretty on theme for that. And I just saw a backyard one that, or like a fence line. Where did it go? There it is. This is really cute too. I like this whole thing. I don't know if I can make this bigger, but I thought this was a good idea. Maybe if you wanted to, if you had the fence line as a backdrop, and you can do this little fairy light thing if it's going to be that time of day for you, and just put some flowers up the top of your fence, and a couple that looks like a couple little ladders. Maybe you could find those at Hobby Lobby, or I've seen them there, but or like a Home Goods or something, or maybe I don't know if you have one of those by you, but I think that's really cute. Or even just the ladder without the other side, like just laying against the fence, and you can decorate it. I think that would look really cute as well. And it looks like some crates down there. But yeah, that's another option. And let me see. Let me see. I also have some stuff saved. There's a really pretty arch that I saw, and that's really pretty too. This arch here, it's about $100. My fiance built ours. It looks really similar to this one right here. It looks almost just like it, except he built little angles. I think actually it's like right here. He built like little angle things so I can put more flowers and whatever else I want to put on there. It looks exactly like this. And he had gotten, I think, 7 feet, I want to say. It's like a 7-foot piece. And depending on how tall, because he's 6 foot, and just how it worked out with that piece on top, it was like just tall enough for us and our pasture. So I am excited. And it was, I think each log was, how much was it? It was $9 per like 2x4 piece. So I don't know why I keep saying 2x4. Each piece of wood was $9. So we had that piece we had in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's, 4 times 9. I believe that's 36. So yeah, that's $36 and some labor. We bought some screws. So I'll double check with them the price on that, and I'll put that up there, how much, minus the total amount, how much that was. But yeah, it worked out really well, and it looks beautiful. I'll probably post some pictures of the arch on my Instagram, and it's the same as my channel name, Pop Sugar Princess. I will be changing my name to Glam and Goth here soon, but only when I launch my website. I want to do like an official launch, and because I've been racking my brain trying to figure out shipping and shipping costs, and I want it to be international, so it's been a lot just trying to get that website started. So hopefully it'll be up here soon. When the name change, then the site will be up finally. But thank you. Okay, back to other Jessica. I don't know where I'm going to insert this, but back to other Jessica. And one other thing that I saw was this is another inexpensive idea for a wedding arch. I really like this a lot. It's really pretty and seems very inexpensive. It's a theme of these videos. Let me see. But yeah, there's a lot of drapey in the tree. That's really cute. Sorta. If you wanted to do maybe like a whimsical wedding, that would be a great idea. But yeah, and you could maybe just light up the whole tree, and that looks really beautiful. I love that. And but yeah, there's a lot of inexpensive wedding ideas that, you won't freaking go bankrupt. Some people, big weddings are for them. I'm if I had the funds, probably, but there's a lot of little cute inexpensive things you can do. And see, that's adorable. That is so like romantic looking. I love that. And here's another one that I cannot for my life find the picture of, but I posted it on my Instagram. So any cute things I've been finding, I've been posting on my Instagram stories, or just on my Instagram in general. And I don't know if you can see that. Oh my god, that ring light is not helping me at all. But it's like a lacy sort of fabric. Oh my god, I can't say fabric. Dripped over the tree, and there's like little cage things, and I'm trying so hard to find it, and maybe I can just pull up the picture on here, but I thought those were really cute ideas. That's not terrible. I don't love it, but I mean, it's not a bad option for sure. I'm sure there's other little cute things, maybe petals or something that you can do to make that look a little bit more elegant, I guess. And then you can just do it with flowers. I know those fake flowers are hella expensive, so the chiffon, I want to say, is usually like $30 or so. That's how much I got mine for. So, but yeah, it's a lot of stuff you can do. See, that's pretty too. I love that willow tree. The willow tree helps, with the drapey sort of look. But yeah, just wanted to share those few things, that last little part with you guys. As far as using a tree to help you make an arch. If you are having your wedding in your backyard, that's beautiful too. But yeah, there's a lot of options out there for sure. If you would like me to answer any questions, you have any ideas for videos, any sort of topics, like for guest books, anything, I have one I ordered that I'm really excited about. It's like a little heart. You drop little hearts in it. And it's customized too, and it was pretty inexpensive. Super happy about it. So I will be showing that to you guys soon. I think the next video I'll be doing is my decor, and that honestly is where like a lot of my money is going, is decoration. It's nuts. The food, I'm gonna be making my own cake, so just throwing that out there. But I'm trying to end this video. I'm sorry. I will blabber about my desserts later too, and I'm really excited about them. I'm gonna do a test run on these cake pops I'm doing, and I cannot wait. I love desserts. I love making them, so I'm gonna be really excited to make my own cake. But that's the end of the video. Thank you. If you want to follow my wedding journey, leave a subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a video. And also this one is really pretty too. That looks like flowers and a chandelier. Okay, I'm sorry, getting distracted. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day and have a wonderful weekend. I don't know when I'm posting this. Bye. It's so late here. Okay, before I say anything else weird. Bye. Bye.